So we have Pyramid Music Meditation Academy that was founded, and Amulya Shastri and Chandu and Sanjay King ji are the directors of those academy, or one of those directors of those academies, where every year we have a music festival, and I would like Chandu to share a few words about that.
Thank you, Pari. So, it's a great opportunity to launch the dates of Pyramid Music Meditation Fest in this Mega Meditation Summit. I request Naresh to launch the flyer. Yes, this is the launching the dates of Pyramid Music Meditation Fest, conducting by Pyramid Music Meditation Academy in Pyramid Valley International. And especially this music fest will be having a Patriji's birthday celebrations with Nada Dhyana. So Patriji has designed the whole event of this music fest, so which will have every day 8 hours of live music meditation. So as we have done 2 hours of meditation with Kingi sir, so like that with the different musicians, so they'll be coming to this music fest for this 4 days. So around 20 hours of meditation will be there in these 4 days with different musicians. So the vision of Pyramid Music Meditation Academy is to bring all the music world to the meditation world. So this is one of the main vision of the PMMA, and to create musics for meditation, and to create spiritual science songs like Jai Ho, Narayana song, and many more will come. And recently, so your Breath is Your Guru, that one more song got released. And the fourth one is conducting music fest everywhere around the globe. So as part of this, today we are fortunate and glad that PMMA US chapter is getting launched. So I request Sureka ji and Swapna ma'am.
Let's give a big clap.
So they are the leading members of PMMA US chapter. So this is a great initiative by Pari. So I would like to request Pari to speak about PMMA US chapter.
So since how many years? 3 years we've done the festival, and this is the 4th year. So the last 3 years, the intention is to bring musicians and meditation together. We are here, when I went to Austin this year, the very moment I went there, the energy was calling that we need to have, of course you all know, Austin is the music capital of US. And also we have Nashville, which is also the music capital. So we're going to be launching music festival with Austin and Nashville annually every year in one city. So PSSM USA will work along PMMA. Shrikant, please come. Sheetal, please come. So PSSM USA will work along PMMA US chapter in bringing this festival out. Every year, 1 year in Austin, 1 year in Nashville. And musicians from all over the world will come. And there will no speeches. Music, meditation. Music, meditation. That's it. Maybe 10 minutes of speech in between. So I would like actually Swapna and Sureka to share your message.
Namaste everyone, I am Sureka Valuru from Austin, Texas. And thank you, Pari, for such a wonderful opportunity. Actually, this was a big surprise for me. We recently did Blissful Arts in Austin, if I think some of you all know. It's part of Spiritual Tablets. And I love music, I love dance too. So it's beautifully aligned, this project, which Pari is assigned to us. I'm so excited and looking forward to this in USA. So thank you, Pari, thank you. This is a wonderful opportunity for me. And Austin is definitely a music land, and you all will enjoy. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Swapna from Nashville. Thank you, Pari. I don't have words. I'm so happy. This is really a wonderful opportunity. For past some time, I have been getting some intuitions and some messages, but I didn't understand what exactly it was. But now, today, I understood what it is, and yeah, we will do our best, and I'm so happy.
Music is a very integral part of PSSM. Whatever we do, even when we are even felicitating people, music is used. When we are talking to people, music is used. When we start our day at 5 a.m., music is used. We end our day with music and culture, and that is PSSM. It's a celebration movement. And PMMA is a testament to all collective thoughts of PSSM masters to make and give music center stage, because where music stands, people come in. We're attracting through these 3 PMMAs that we've had top grade artists perform at Pyramid Valley International, Bangalore. I request every single one to please visit our second largest pyramid, I would say, but it's the first pyramid that is built at a large scale in Bangalore. I would request everyone to please come and experience Pyramid Valley International through music. The whole of Bangalore shakes in the month of November. And I'm so happy that now it's taken to the US, the music capital. Along with classical music, we will use world music and music that even every single person resonates with, and then integrate meditation right there. And I'm so happy that we have masters so grounded, taking care of this and taking it forward, upwards and onwards. Thank you.
मैंने ऑलरेडी बात किया है. अ लिटिल एडवर्टाइजमेंट, सेल्फिश हूँ थोड़ा. मैंने और पत्री जी ने 4 साल मेहनत करके 700 श्लोकास ऑफ भगवद गीता 700 रागास में कंपोज करके किया है. मैं आज 12 बजे निकल रहा हूँ. तब तक अगर किसी ने मेरी इच्छा और पत्री सर की भी इच्छा थी, जितना प्रचार और प्रसार नए जनरेशन को हो वो अच्छा है, क्योंकि ऐसी बाहट करे तो बाहट नहीं होता है. ट्यून के हिसाब से कुछ है, उनको राग समझ में नहीं आएगा, लेकिन ट्यून के हिसाब से बाहट हो जाएंगे. तो वो इंटेंशन से मैंने भी किया है. मैंने पेन ड्राइव लाए हैं. दैट्स 21 आवर्स ड्यूरेशन मटेरियल. ईच श्लोका इज अबाउट 1 minute and 15 seconds मीनिंग ऑफ दैट. बट बिकॉज आई एम इन USA, इंग्लिश का ट्रांसलेशन लाया है. दिसंबर में करताल में पत्री जी का वॉइस मेरे सीडीज़ में है, लेकिन वो तेलुगु में है. सो आई विल बी रिलीजिंग दैट इन करताल. ओके, सो किसी लोगों को अगर इसका उपभोग लेना है तो मैं 12 बजे तक हूँ, 3 बजे का मेरा फ्लाइट है. सो यू प्लीज़ टेक इट. और लेने में नहीं है ज़्यादा, लेकिन आप कुछ भी काम करिए, लेकिन वो सुनते रहिए. आप भी सुनिए, बच्चे को भी सुनाइए, और मुझे प्यार से $30 दीजिए. थैंक यू.
Please share. What do you think of this?
Good morning, friends. I had an opportunity to attend the first one which happened about 3 years ago. That was a wonderful experience we had at that time. And this will be a great opportunity to bring this into the US. And as Amuli was saying, not just Carnatic, right? We'll bring world music into here, and then we'll connect music and meditation. So we are very, very glad that we'll do it in the US. Thank you, Pari. Thanks for it.
Hello everyone. Thank you so much, Pari. It was really an amazing idea. So for all the masters here, what I found is, if you want to experience Guru has come from India to here, our Patriji. And we wanted to experience Sajjana Sangatya. He sent all the Gurus and masters to America again. And we want to experience the pyramid power, and he's sending the pyramids here. And we want to experience this beautiful, phenomenal event which was happening in Bangalore. I was thinking, how do we go there every year and, to experience? And he's bringing that too. So he's bringing everything. How fortunate we are. And very excited, Pari, and we are going to make it happen beautifully, and everybody is going to be part of this. So thank you so much.
So, till now, the Pyramid Music Meditation Academy has created 70 music meditation tracks, which is there already in a PMMA YouTube channel. And the purpose of creating these musics are, we should have our own musics. There should not be any copyright musics for doing meditation and when we are doing it on Zoom via YouTube. So we should have our own musics. So that's why the PMMA has created more than 70 plus audio tracks of music, and please utilize that. And till now 6 spiritual science songs have been created, and 3 music fest, and this is the 4th music fest which will be happening in Mega Pyramid Valley International. I request everyone to block your dates from November 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th. 11th is our Patriji's birthday. Block your dates in India to come to Pyramid Valley International, Bangalore. So thank you, Pari, for this great opportunity.
Thank you. And of course, they can't do alone. So if you know any musicians, and if you want to, we just recorded a Spanish-English song in India, actually. We're going to play that while you eat your breakfast. Prithvesh, we're going to play Observe Your Breath while they're eating.
Observe your breath.
Observe your
video
breath.
song.
So you can see the flavor of how the music can elevate, bring that emotion. So if you're a musician and if you know anyone, you want to connect. So we need to create a team now. So if you are interested, please come forward and you know who to connect. So thank you very much, guys.
Yeah, we'll release the poster. So we'll be releasing the poster of Pyramid Music Meditation Fest 4.